What's up, this is Vincanity, and welcome to VincaniTV, the channel that teaches you about breaking and the hip hop culture. Today, we're gonna be training the bicycle kick. Now, if you're part of my beginner online breaking class, we recently learned the bicycle kick step, and we spent a lot of time just kind of training, understanding it, and also applying it to our dance. Today, we're gonna be drilling the bicycle step to make sure we're practicing good form, to help us build muscle memory, and to make sure that we understand and can utilize the step effectively. If you need extra help with your breaking or just need an extra push each week, make sure you hop into my beginner or intermediate online breaking class. This month we're working on strictly footwork, but in the future we'll be working on all types of things: power moves, flow, top rocks, all that stuff. All right, so click the link below, hop into class, and I'll see you soon. Also, make sure you pick up yourself some VincaniTV merch listed on my website. And don't forget to press the like button to help push this video to new audiences and spread the knowledge around. All right, y'all, so if you're part of my classes, we really worked on understanding not just the form and technique, but we also really spent some time on working on the rhythm of the move, following music, following the different beats of music, following different patterns. And so while we're practicing right now, although we're not going to be practicing to music, I want you to really kind of visualize some kind of drum pattern while you're following, or some kind of beat. Let's do something simple like boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat. That way we could also get comfortable doing this to music. Okay, we're gonna start off by doing 5 total. And when we do this first 5, let's really pay attention to the form of our hands and our feet, making sure we're on our toes the entire time. All right, here we go. Starting position, and to start, because of the beat, goes boom, cat. We're gonna start off going this way. Ready? Here we go. Boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat. That's 1, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat. That's 3, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat. That's 4, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat. That's 5. All right, y'all, nice job. Let yourself rest. Give yourself a second to relax and let your hands rest. Shake out your hands, make a fist, roll it out. Now the second time that we do this, let's really pay attention to the 2 freezes that we do in this step. We freeze on this side when we step forward, and we also freeze on this side when we step forward. Okay, so when we do both of these, let's really, instead of just a step, let's consider this a freeze. So think about how the look of this is, right? Not just stepping forward, but actually, thinking of it as this should be a nice picture that we're creating. So with our legs, with our hands, with our body position, right? All of this, let's really consider how this looks like, and maybe even play with it as you're practicing. Okay, so here we go. Ready? Starting position. This is round 2. Here we go. From here. And we're gonna start off with boom, cat. Make this freeze. Boom, boom, cat. Boom, freeze. Boom, boom, cat. That's 1. Boom, freeze. Boom, boom, cat. Boom, freeze. Boom, boom, cat. That's 2. Boom, cat. Boom, boom, cat. Boom, cat. Boom, boom, cat. That's 3. Boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat. That's 4, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat. That's 5. Nice job, y'all. Now, a lot of times when you see people do this as an exercise, you'll see them kind of almost dragging their feet, just going back and forth, which honestly doesn't matter too much because it's for exercise, right? So resistance might even be better. But for footwork, we want our feet to look light. We don't want to drag our feet. We don't want to mess up our shoes, especially if they're super nice, unlike mine are. So let's actually this time pay attention to our feet, making sure we're not dragging, and actually more so getting this hop motions, okay? When we do this, we actually want to put more weight on our hands to make our feet lighter, almost like we're, floating in outer space, okay? So let's give it a try. Ready? And starting, we go. Boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. That's one, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. Two, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. That's three, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. That's four, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. That's five. So we're doing 5 sets total. We have completed 3 of them. Working on the form of our hands, our feet, our body position, and also thinking about the rhythm, okay? These last 2, let's really kind of put that into play. It doesn't have to be fast, right? This could be a fast step, but it could also be a step that kind of allows you to get in tune with the music. A lot of times people get stuck with just repetitious steps. They forget about the steps are supposed to be on beat, all right? So let's keep that in mind. So this time, let's put everything into play, our form and the rhythm of our steps. Okay, here we go. Starting position, and we go. 1, 2, 3, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. 1, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. 2, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. 3, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. 4, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. 5, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. That's 5. Boom. All right, y'all. Everyone, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Now, if you're doing this for exercise, I definitely would recommend doing a little bit more reps. Really just kind of like burn yourself out. But in our case, we're really focusing more so on the form and rhythm. Okay. So again, last one. Really pay attention to your form of your feet, hands, body position, and the rhythm of your moves. Okay, here we go. Last round. Starting position, and here we go. Ready? And it goes. Boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. 1, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. 3, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat. That's 5. Awesome job, y'all. So that is our bicycle step training for today. Again, make sure you continue to do this practice until you start to feel comfortable. We always want to make sure that we not only learn new steps, but we also train them. We work on our form, rhythm, all that stuff. Also, the application of these steps to our dancing. If we keep learning all these steps, but we actually never apply it to our dancing, to music, eventually it just becomes like this library of useless moves, right? We really actually have to take our library of knowledge and apply it to dancing, to music, right? That's when these things really kind of come to life, right? And you really get to almost put your personality into some of these basics that you've learned. So enjoy the time practicing and then have fun with the moves. Again, if you need extra help with your breaking, make sure you hop into one of my online beginner or intermediate breaking classes. We do it every Tuesday. If you want to help support this channel, make sure you press like, subscribe, leave a comment about what you want to see next, and pick yourself up some of my VincaniTV merch listed on my website. All right, thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.